All right, guys, this is the VJZFA wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. It's plug and play, and this is going to work great for me where I like to use my laptop, but I like to use the HDMI wirelessly to get to my monitor. So I like to actually sometimes use my laptop in bed, but have the monitor on the desk, and this allows me to connect them wirelessly. So that's what's really great about this. Let's go ahead and unbox it. First thing I want to notice is this is an extremely high quality box. And I would say, wow, based on the quality of this, this is a very nice device. So let's get it all out. So we have the antennas that go on the receiver. Actually, I'll plug those in myself. We'll just take them all out. There's two antennas that go on it. And then we also have our HDMI. And that's right in here, HDMI cords. So we've got plenty of cords that are going to keep us nice and connected. They give us we have a USB-C cord, and our HDMI cord right there. So we've got everything we need. And let's go ahead and get this set up, and I'll show you how it looks and then show you how it works. All right, guys, so we've got it set up. Allow me to show you just quickly how this works. So we have the wireless HDMI on the laptop. This thing's right here. And then what you do is you power it via USB-C. So I just have that plugged into the other end of my laptop there. So completely wireless HDMI here. And then on the back of my monitor, we have the actual HDMI receiver plugged into the HDMI port there with both of the antennas. And now what we have is a wireless connection to this monitor here. It's basically the second monitor of this computer screen. So I love that these are wireless. I could take my computer over to bed with me and still have it up on the monitor here. I think that's what makes these so cool. Also, this is it's a pre-paired connection. So you literally just plug both of these in. Once they power on, they automatically connect together. This is going to be a great unit for people who do a lot of presentations, especially if you travel. It just makes it super easy, and you also have a dedicated connection, so there's no interruption, no weird stuff, no lagging. It's going to work really well. Highly recommend.